Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 19 plate Kia Stonic 2. This is the 1 litre turbo petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in graphite grey metallic, and it's covered just 16,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really classy looking Kia Stonic, really popular on the used market. These sort of a mini SUV type vehicle, all the rage. August 2019 registered, 16,000 miles. It's had just the one private owner from brand new. 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Does come supplied with a full service history, 5 service stamps in the book right the way through its life every year, which obviously maintains the Kia's manufacturer warranty, which is 7 years. Really lovely looking car in this graphite grey. So one owner, full service history, very sensible running costs, £190 a year to tax. Up towards 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. And obviously you do benefit from having this slightly higher seating position, so it does allow for easier access, better visibility. So as we take a look inside, lovely condition. As you'd expect, such low mileage, seats are all in great shape. As are the door cards. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors, carpet mats. Up onto the steering wheel again, which is in really good shape. You've got your cruise control, trip computer, and then you've got your Bluetooth and radio controls, automatic lights. There's your mileage, 16,398 as it sits. Leather centre armrest, manual handbrake, couple of cup holders. 6-speed manual gearbox, and then down below we've got a bit of grippy storage, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off, reversing rear parking sensors, which again you can switch off. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and then we've got 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary input. Really straightforward setup, not difficult to get along with at all. Air conditioning of course, and then up above onto your infotainment. Again, very straightforward. It has DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, and if I put the car into reverse, like I say, you've got the sensors, and then you get a little radar that comes up on the centre of the dash there. So really easy, straightforward layout, nice high seating position, good visibility. Into the rear, plenty of space. Again, you've got your carpet mats which are running through, another 12-volt socket down below there, electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and of course ISOFIX to the child seats as well, so comfortable 5-seater. And then into the back of the car, really good sized boot space, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then plenty of room, along with your lock and wheel nut key, inflation kit, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, 2019 on a 19 plate Kia Stonic 2, 16,000 miles, 118 brake horsepower, petrol turbo. 1 private owner from new with a full 5-stamp service history. Finance is available from just over £200 a month, based on 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT, along with 2 keys and the balance of the Kia manufacturer's warranty, which runs until August of 2026. We do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value, good looking car, nice specification, and you've still got the warranty as well, so good news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.